Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. I am Sandeep Patil, born and raised in Maharashtra, India. I studied my mechanical engineering in 2006 in India. Then I worked for 2 years in the industry. These 2 years taught me a lot of valuable lessons. However, it limited me in various ways. Therefore, I decided to go for the higher studies to get the advanced knowledge as well as to chase myself in the academic career. Therefore, I applied to University of Stuttgart and fortunately I received admission for the commerce program from University of Stuttgart. Then, in the first month itself, I met Professor Market, and now it's been 12 years I've been working with him. I couldn't have imagined that I would have get the better mentor than him. So it's been really, really privileged to working with him on various topics, on various research projects. So it has been a very fantastic experience with working with him. Then I did my PhD from RWTH Aachen University in 2015. Then once I concluded my doctoral study, that time Professor Market offered me a group leader position at the Institute of General Mechanics, RWTH Aachen University. And it has given me the flexibility and liberty to work on a various projects with various international collaborators, and of course with all my students, who has been really helped me a lot in my research. Every step in the career was not so easy. I made right decisions at right time, as well as I met right people at the right time who has guided me throughout the process. And I have been very fortunate to come up to this point. Therefore, I would like to use my experience to support and guide the students in order to get them at the RWTH. Our primary goal to attract best quality of master's students for the master's program offered by RWTH Aachen University, as we know that it is the best university in the world for engineering and technology. Therefore, students who are aiming for such a university have to have high quality of high standard of academic record as well as work experience. Through Academy IAM India, we are guiding students for the preparation, through the information and guidance for the student to get and achieve this aim for the coming here in RWTH Aachen University. Moreover, Academy IAM India is proactively trying to establish collaborations between the reputed Indian university and RWTH Aachen University. In addition to this, we are encouraging Indian industry as well as industry professionals to connect to the RWTH Aachen University. Pune was a natural choice for this venture because this vibrant city has been an education hub for India for many decades now. This city is provide home for almost more than 300 German companies, as well as this is the place where you will find major IT companies, automobile manufacturers. Therefore, this is the place of conversion for the technology as well as education. And we are very much looking forward to this as a second home for International Academy, jointly coordinated with IAM RWTH Aachen University.